Let's talk about Ameca from Engineered Arts. You probably recognize Ameca as that incredibly expressive humanoid robot, the one that went viral for its uncannily human-like facial movements. It was a marvel, a true testament to robotic design. But now, Ameca just got a serious brain boost, taking it from a viral sensation to something genuinely useful. And I mean, truly, practically useful. Engineered Arts has unleashed a brand new system they call ROS, not the open source version, but their own proprietary robot operating system. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a complete paradigm shift. ROS transforms Ameca into a digital employee, allowing you to rewrite its entire role and identity in mere seconds. Imagine assigning it a new name, a new voice, a whole new personality, even a specific knowledge base for any job you can think of. And the best part? It's all done through a simple browser interface, no complex coding required. In a recent demonstration, Will Jackson, the visionary founder of Engineered Arts, showcased just how effortless this is. Log into your Tritium account, access the ROS interface, and then customize everything. Want the robot to only speak French and be named Chloe? Done, in seconds. Want her to be the greatest paint salesperson of all time? You literally just type that into the field. Add in a list of Dulux paint colors, activate its computer vision, and the next thing you know, Chloe is scanning the room, recognizing the lighting and materials, and confidently recommending paint shades like Sapphire Salute to brighten up the space. And here's the wild part. She does it like she's been selling paint for years. The interface is incredibly intuitive, featuring 5 main tabs: identity, languages, personality, knowledge, and abilities. Each one shapes the way Ameca acts and interacts. And again, absolutely no programming needed. It all happens directly in your browser. 1 second, it's your personal tour guide. The next, it's a highly efficient customer support agent. The sheer speed and simplicity are what truly set this apart. Before this, making a humanoid robot adapt to a different task meant rewiring, running complex code, hiring dedicated developers. Now, it's quite literally drag, drop, and deploy. And the design is evolving too. Engineered Arts now offers desktop versions of Ameca in black, white, or gray, all with that same incredibly expressive face and full functionality. This makes Ameca accessible to businesses, museums, even schools, and that, my friends, is a monumental shift. For the first time, humanoids are inching closer to being truly practical, not just impressive display pieces. It's honestly wild how far Ameca has come. Think about it. Remember when self-driving cars felt like pure science fiction in 2019? Today, over 400,000 Teslas are driving themselves daily. And while many of us weren't even watching, AI adoption skyrocketed by an astonishing 270%. Back then, using AI at work seemed absurd. Now, companies that embrace it report 15% higher productivity. McKinsey estimates AI will add a staggering $13 trillion to the global economy by 2030. But there's a catch. This rapid advancement means over 375 million workers may have to switch careers entirely, and future jobs will demand serious AI skills. So, here's your opportunity. This weekend, Outskill, the world's largest AI education platform, is hosting a 2-day AI mastermind. It's 16 hours of hands-on training packed with real-world tools like Make.com, Claude, and Agentic Hub. You'll learn prompt engineering, build AI agents, automate tasks, use AI in Excel and slides, and even create AI-powered apps. Normally, this training costs $895, but I've partnered with Outskill to give away 1,000 seats completely free for the next 72 hours. Over 4 million people have already attended and seen massive growth, some even launching profitable AI startups. And if you join both days, you'll get bonuses worth $5,000, including a prompt Bible, a money-making roadmap, and a custom AI toolkit builder. Clear your schedule this Saturday and Sunday, 10 a.m. to 7 p.m., and lock in your seat using the link in the description. Join the WhatsApp group, too, for all updates. Don't miss this. Alright, now back to our AI robots. But this time, we're heading to China, where things are getting seriously advanced. UBTech just stepped way ahead of the curve with their latest robot, the Walker S2. Now, the big innovation here isn't how it talks or how it looks. It's how it keeps going. This is the first humanoid robot that swaps its own battery without any human help. No cables, no charging ports, no downtime. It simply walks to a charging station, pops out the drained pack from its chest, docks it, grabs a fresh one, installs it, and walks off. This entire process takes under 3 minutes, and it's already been rigorously tested in live environments. Companies like NIO, Zeer, and BYD factories are already running these bots during actual production hours. The battery system itself is a marvel. It's a dual-module setup. There's a primary and a failover battery. If the main one dies or malfunctions in the middle of a critical task, the Walker S2 seamlessly switches over to the backup without missing a beat. No reboot, no memory loss, nothing. On top of that, it doesn't always go for a full battery swap. It intelligently calculates whether to swap or just plug in, depending on the urgency of its current task. So, if it's doing something critical, it'll swap. If it's in standby or doing low priority work, it might just dock and charge. This revolutionary system is called dynamic energy management, and it's what allows the robot to operate non-stop, 24/7. Now, let's shift focus to something a little more industrial, and perhaps, a lot more dangerous. Hyundai's latest experiment in shipbuilding. They've teamed up with Leju Robotics from Germany to deploy humanoid robots in an actual shipyard setting, specifically the 4NE1 model. This robot is being rigorously tested to handle some of the most perilous tasks out there, like high-heat welding and heavy assembly work. And we're talking real-world testing, not just some controlled lab simulation. Hyundai is setting up physical environments at their shipbuilding sites in South Korea to see how well these robots can adapt to chaotic, heavy-duty workflows. The 4NE1 isn't just some generic humanoid. It's equipped with adaptive learning capabilities and cognitive functions, which means it can be trained to handle new types of work on the fly. But for it to survive in a shipyard, it also needs seriously tough hardware. So, part of this partnership is focused on reinforcing the robot's body, designing AI-based control systems for high-precision welding, and developing custom welding tools that can be operated by robots. It's a full pipeline, from software to mechanics to training data. The first working prototype is expected by the end of 2026, with commercial use possibly kicking off in 2027. Now, here's the kicker. Hyundai owns Boston Dynamics, the creators of the incredible Atlas robot. So, you'd think they'd just use Atlas, right? But apparently, Atlas isn't ready yet to learn and adapt fast enough for this kind of rigorous industrial work, which says a lot about how fast Leju Robotics is moving. Other companies, like Persona AI in the United States, are also working on humanoid welding robots for Korean shipyards. So, this whole area is about to heat up fast. And that's not a bad thing, because when you think about how dangerous, repetitive, and understaffed a lot of industrial work is, humanoid robots that can take over welding, heavy lifting, or inspection duties are more than just cool tech. They're solving real-world labor problems, making workplaces safer and more efficient. So yeah, we're officially in a new phase now. The impressive facial expressions and captivating demo videos were just the beginning. These machines are learning fast, thinking better, charging on their own, and now they're showing up to work. The question is no longer if they'll be part of our world, but how deeply integrated they'll become. What do you think? Are we building helpers that will empower humanity, or are we creating something we might not be able to control for long? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more mind-blowing tech breakdowns. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.